Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, ISWA. Friends, in this video lecture, we will discuss a couple of questions of exercise 12A. Prior to this video, friends, we had solved lots of questions of exercise 12A. So this is the last session of exercise 12A. Now here we will start for solving question number 19 till end 25. Okay, so friends, this is class 7, chapter number 12, and chapter name is simple interest. So here friends, we will use the same formula as used in the previous video lecture, means SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So friends, let's get started. Now see friends, question number 19 says, if rupees 640 amounts to 768 rupees in 2 years 6 months, what will be 850 rupees amount to in 3 years at the same rate percent per annum? So here friends, there are two statements is given. In the first statement says P is given 640 and becomes R is given and A is given, amount is given 768 in 2 years and 6 months. That means we can say that 2.5 years friends. 2 years or 6 months means 2.5 साल. That means 2 साल and half year. That means 2.5 years. Okay. What will be the 850 rupees amount to in the third year? कह रहा है कि 3 साल के बाद फिर ये amount 850 rupees हो जाएगा for the same range. तो find, we have to find the what will be the rupees इतना amount to in 3 years at the same rate percent per annum. That means here we have to find, here friends, we have to find the percentage rate percent. Okay, now here friends, we have to find the amount in the second statement, because question कह रहा है last में what will be rupees इतना amount 850 amount to, that means 850 rupees in the second case में that it is considered as this is principal in the second case. Okay, now in this money 850 rupees, the year is given 3 years at the same rate percentage. So we have to find first rate percentage R from first given statement, then we will apply the same rate in the second statement, because here is the same said that the same rate percent per annum. Okay, first in the from the first statements we can find, we have to find out the R, then we have to apply this R in the second statement and find out the amount for the second statement. We have to find the amount. So here friends, P is given 640, okay, and this amount is given 768 in the first statement, and here we have to find the R, and the T is given with 2 years and 6 months. That means 2 plus 6 by 12, because if you divide the months by 12, this will change as year. So 2.5 years. That means 5 by 2 years. The time is given, A is given, and P is given. First A is equal to friends P plus I from formula SI. So A is given and P is 640 plus SI. Then we have to, we got the SI as 128. So now friends, we have to apply the formula SI is equal to P into R into T. Okay, so have a look. So the SI is equal to given for 128. This is formula. The P is given friends 640. R that we have to find, this is A 5 by 2 times and divided by 100. Now see friends, 10 will get cancelled. Here 2, this is 32 times will get cancelled, 64. Okay, just a minute. 32 friends, and this 5 1 5 and 5 2 10. Okay, So this 2 1 2 friends, and 260 times 32 will get cancelled. Now the next, so here friends, r multiplied by 16 is equal to 128. So this r is equal to 128 divided by 16, and this gives, now divide 16 . Dear friends, 120. So r is equal to 8%. So that we got r is equal to 8%. Now we will have to apply this r in the second statement. Now friends, in the second statement, see, have a look. For second statement, here is the given p. So this p is given for the second statement, 850 rupees. Okay, and time is given, this is 3 years friends. And now here r is same, because here it says same rate percent, so r is 8% as it is. So now here we have to find the amount. Same formula friends, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by, this is 100. Okay, this is equal to, P is 850 multiplied by R, this is 8%, 8, and this is T friends, T 3 divided by 100. So this is SI. Now 0 will get cancelled, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja friends 10. So now what we get, this is 85 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 friends, 5 7 is 35. Here SI is equal to friends 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. So this is 70 multiplied by 12. So this is 204. Now SI 204 in the second statement. Now we have to find the A amount. So A is equal to, this is P plus SI friends. So P is 850 plus SI friends 204. So here this is 4, this is 5, and this is 10. So 1054 is the required solution. Now see friends, question number 21 says a sum of money becomes 8 by 5 of itself in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. Now let's consider friends, the sum of money means that is principal. Suppose sum of money means principal is equal to x rupees, suppose. Now rate sum of money becomes 8 by 5 of, so in 5 years means the original money that is principal. So after 5 years friends, this principal becomes 8 by 5 of itself. That means, so the new amount, that is called the new amount after 5 years principal. So the amount is, here the becomes, sum of money means principal, x becomes 8 by 5, becomes 8 by 5 of itself. That means 8 by 5 friends of itself. Itself means this is x, so we can, this is 8x divided by 5 after 5 years, in 5 years. So the time is given friends 5 years. And rate, suppose rate is equal to friends r percent, suppose rate r percent. Consider, let or say that we have to find the interest, rate of interest r. Okay, that means we have to find the r is equal to what. Now from formula friend, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So SI is equal to, this is P into R into T. Now amount is given, friends. So first A is equal to P plus SI. Okay, so A is given, friends. A is क्या, 8x divided by 5 is equal to P is x plus SI. First we have to find the SI. So this is 8x by 5, this becomes minus x is equal to SI. So this is 8x minus 5x divided by 5 is equal to SI. Now the SI is equal to, this is 3x by 5. So this is SI. Now put this value here. This is 3x divided by 5 is equal to P is equal to x, friends, R that we have to find, and T is equal to 5 years. This is 100. So this, friends, x will get cancelled. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, friends, and this is 20 times will get cancelled. 5 4 ja 20, friends. Now cross multiplication. So R is equal to 3 multiplied by 4. 3 4 ja 12. So this is your required solution. 12%. This is 12% per annum, friends. Answer per annum. Now see the next question. Now see, friends, question number 22. A sum of money lent at simple interest amounts to 783 rupees in 2 years and 837 in 3 years. Find the sum and the rate percent per annum. Now see, friends, here the first condition is given that a sum of money lent at, sum of money means principal, lent at simple interest amounts to itna. That means here the amount is given, the first case, but the sum of money is the same for both the cases, friends. Okay, so let first consider, first of let sum of money P is equal to, friends, x rupees. Okay, now the first condition is given. Suppose A1 is given, A for amount, this is 783 rupees. Okay, and now time T1 is given, this is 2 years. Okay, and the second case is given, friends, this is A2 837 and the time is given, friends, YS. Find the sum and the rate percent per annum. Means we have to find, friends, x, that means P, as well as R. Okay, so this is the first and the second condition. Here, friends, first, now, friends, the formula A1, that means amount is equal to, friends, this is P plus SI in the first case. So A1 amount is given, friends, 783. P is given, this is x. P is the same for both cases, in this case as well as in this case. This is SI as it is. Now SI becomes 783 minus S. This is the SI first case. Now for the second case, the first case we can then write the formula SI is equal to, friends, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So SI is given 783 is equal to P is x, R that we have to find, multiply, this is T, friends, 2 years, T, or we can apply the T1, divided by, this is the, sorry friend, SI is equal to 78 minus, this is SI is equal to, this is the first equation. Okay, now say this is first. Now for second condition, A2 means amount is equal to P plus SI here. So the P is, friends, A is given here 837, P is x because this x is equal to both the conditions, and SI as it is. Now here, friends, SI becomes 837 minus x. Now from formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So SI value 837 minus x divided by px r as it is, and t is here friends. T is here friends. The given is 3 years. Here t 3 years is given. Okay. Now 3 years divided by 100. So this is friends second equation. Now we can use these two equation and find out the first x, then afterwards r. Okay friends. Now erase some. Now see friends, first divide first by second. So the first equation is friends, this is, write down this 783 minus x. Okay, and this divided by left hand side is divided by this left hand side, 837 minus x. So this is x multiplied by r multiplied by 2, and whole divided by friends, this is 100, and this x multiplied by r multiplied by 3 whole divided by 100. So this 100 will get cancelled. Okay friends, so this r x will get cancelled. So up is 2. Here write the left hand side, this is 800 x divided by 837 minus x is equal to, this is 2 divided by 3. Now cross multiplication friends. So this cross multiplication is, this is this multiplied by 2 friends, 2 multiply, this is 7 to the 14 minus 2x, this multiply this and this multiply that. Okay, whole. So 3 multiply, this is 3 3 is 9, and minus 3x. Now friends, here is the minus 2x as it is, bring this minus 3x to the left hand side, plus 3x, this 2349 as it is, bring this to right hand side, negative. Now subtract, this is only x, 4, this is 5, 9 minus 4 5, and 4 minus, this is 14, this 7, this is 2, this is 6. So now friends, this is your answer. So the P, that means the sum of money is 675. So this is the first answer. Now the second that we have to find. Now friends, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. We can use any one of the equations friends in the first or second case in order to find R. So SI is equal to is friends, that means we can use the SI is here. First we have to find the SI friends. Okay, so the SI is friends, A is equal to, remember friends, A is equal to 78, A is equal to P plus SI friends. So A, whatever, use the A in the first equation or the second case. Okay, this is suppose 7 8 3, this is A friends, and this is P. P is here friends, 675 plus SI that we have to find. So this is 783 minus 675 is equal to SI. Now here friends, subtract 13 minus 5, 8 7 0, and this is 1. So this is SI friends. Now use this SI here, 108, remember SI is 108. Now put the value of 108, this is P friends, 675 R as it is, and time we can use the time because we have to use this. So we have to use the time 2 years, and 100 is here friends. Now cross multiplication, this will get cancelled friends, 5 20 times, this is 5 1 5, 5 3 15, and 5 5 once again cancel friends, 5 4 this is 5 2 10, and 5 7 5 7 35. Okay, now 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja. So cross multiplication thing, यहाँ 108 multiply by 2, here 108 multiply by 2 is equal to r into 27, r into 27. Now it is here some line. So here friends, have a look. This is r is equal to 108 multiplied by 2 divided by 27. Okay, now 9 3 ja friends 27, 9 1 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 18, 9 2 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. So 4 2 ja friends 8. That is 8% is your answer. So the sum of money is equal to 625 and r is equal to 8%. See friends, question number 24. Divide rupees 3000 into two parts such that the SI on the first part for 4 rupees 4 years at 8% per annum is equal to the SI on the second part for 2 years at 9% per annum. Here friends, here the two situations are given, two statements are given, or we can say the two conditions are given. The first condition says there is money, means P. Suppose there is a money 3000 is given. Now this 3000 is, we have to divide this 3000 into two parts. Okay friends, suppose we say friends there are 10 rupees in your hand, and if I say you have to divide this 10 rupees into two parts. Let me say the first part is friends 8, then the another part is friends another part, then you can easily reply yes, another part is 2, because 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. No friends, the concept is the first part 8, then the another second part is equal to 10 minus 8 friends, so this becomes 2. Same concept will apply here. Suppose say the first part is equal to x friends, then the second part is equal to whatever the amount is going to be distributed, means this amount minus x rupees. Okay, now this is the first, so this x is nothing but this becomes friends p in the first case, and this is also the p in the second case or the second condition. Now in the first condition, the first part friends, in the first part SI on the first part for 4 years. Now our time is given friends, time is 4 years and r is given 8%. Time is 4 years, r is 8%. Now similarly we can say the second equal to the SI on the second part time. So here time is friends 2 years and r is equal to, this is 9%. But one thing is given, the common point. What friends? Look at SI. Here the SI is equal to the SI on the second part. That means SI of the first part is equal to the SI of the second part. So here friends, we have to find the SI for the first part and the second part. Then equate both the SIs. We will get the solution. Let's say SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. This is the first part. So P is equal to the value of P. This is P. P is equal to friends, this is X. Now this is R is equal to 8, time is equal to 4 divided by this is 100. Friends, here 4 1 ja 4, or either we can say friends write as it is, because here we also we get the 100 and then 100 will get cancelled. So the SI is equal to, the first SI is equal to X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. This is the first. Now for the second case friends, here SI is equal to friends, this is P into R into 2 T, P into R into T divided by 100. So what about P friends? P is equal to, this is 3000 minus X multiplied by R is given 9 and T is given friends 2 years and divided by 100. But this question says both SIs are equal friends, so we can easily equate. Suppose this is 1, say this is second, say. So from according to the question, first is equal to friends second. Now what about the first friends? This is first, X multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 100, because the value of SI is equal to, in the first part is the value of SI in the second parts 3000 minus x multiply by 9 multiply by 2 and divide by friends. Now what will be benefit friends? This 100 will get cancelled. Very fun, because let me see friends, here the value divide, whole value is divided by 100. So here also friends, whole value is divided by 100, then this 100 will get cancelled. Okay, now this for x we have to find the value of x friends. We can get cancelled here. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja friends 4. Okay, now multiply friends. This is 8 2 ja 16, 16x is here left hand side, and now this is 9 friends. 9 into 1, this is 27, this is 3 times 0 minus 9x. Now friends, 16x is as this goes left hand side, plus 9x becomes 27, 3 times 0. Okay, now this friends, this is 16 plus this 25x divided by 2 7 3 times 0. Now it is now see friends, here x is equal to 273 times 0 divided by 25. Here friends, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 4 ja 2 times 0. Once again 5 1 ja 5 friends, 5 1 ja 5 0, so 5 8 ja friends 40, and this is 1 time 0, so 1080 rupees. This is x. So what about x friends? X is nothing but this is the first part. Now we have to find the second part friends. Second part friends, this is 3000 minus x. So 3000 as it is friends, minus x is equal to 1080. Now we will get 0 minus 0 0. This is 9 10 minus this is 2, and 9, this is 9 friends, and this is 2. So 2920. If we add, let me check. Something is here subtracting wrong friends. 3000 we have to subtract 1080. This is 0, this is 2, this is 9, this is 1, so this is 1. So this is the second part friend, and this is the first part. I hope you will get